Let's take a look at the filter button here on the toolbar, which creates a new band as a result of applying a filter to the band we're looking at here. It comes with a bunch of predefined filter kernels. These are really just a small array of weight values that are mapped to each pixel on the image, and that weight is multiplied by the surrounding pixels to derive a new single value, and that operation is done across the entire image to create a new band. And depending upon how this kernel is defined, the effect can be a different kind of filtering function. For example, blurring. If I take an extreme here of the arithmetic mean in a 7x7 kernel, so that means that 49 pixels are going to contribute to the value, the average value of the new pixel in the output image, and apply that, we get a very hazy, blurry, out of focus kind of result. Okay, and that can be useful. It in data analysis, it may not. It depends on the application as to what you're trying to achieve. Okay. Similarly, we can scroll down and we see that there are gradient detection filters known as Sobel filters. They're directional because they're detecting a gradient, and a gradient is in fact a directional quantity. If we let me make sure we're viewing our chlorophyll here and run a Sobel West filter, okay, on the chlor A band, then we get, you can see that it's predominantly vertical edges detected because the Sobel filter is applied basically from the west, and showing, just to contrast that, we'll apply a Sobel from the north. Okay, we will go back to our chlorophyll image before we apply the Sobel north, and you will see that generally the edges detected are of a horizontal nature, the gradients and so on. It's also bringing out the banding in the image, which is sort of a trait of the VIIRS data to some extent. Okay, so there are quite a few filters to choose from with different functions. You actually have the ability to create your own. I'm not going to go into that here, but you can read up on filter theory and these convolution kernels, and possibly come up with one that's useful for your needs. But that really, in a nutshell, is the filtering tool.